Today. God before yesterday. Yesterday is gone.
How about your hair?
Yeah, please help me now.
Is that a song?
Is it a riddle? Say it again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're playing a fun makeup challenge.
Where is the only place where today comes before yesterday?
Present. Where is the only place today?
But actually, when your time finish, you explain that answer, you just give to it.
If
you have to explain to your subscribers, they have to know why.
where is the only place?
Yeah, I made us laugh. Give her 10 seconds. Did she have to laugh?
I always know you didn't like me.
5 seconds.
Where's the only place today? Today. God before yesterday. Yesterday is gone.
How about your hair?
Yeah, please help me now.
Is that a song?
Is it a riddle? Say it again. Let me try. Where is the only place?
I'm finished.
Where is the only place?
Today is gone. Today is.
Where is the only place where today comes before yesterday? So time up.
Wait. Let me just try and think for a few minutes.
Time is up, but let me just try.
And what?
What's the only time that today comes before
Today, like
place.
today. Place in the world.
Just place.
Here now and now.
In a sentence. In a calendar.
It can't be calendar.
Sure, you're giving up here. Are you not telling people?
Is that the answer?
The time is up. I'm just guessing. Oh, time is up.
Okay, what's the
Dictionary. T comes before Y. Okay. What building has the most stories? You don't have to say.
Story building. Let's play rough play. What building has the most story?
But I like it.
Wait. A library.
Oh.
Hey, enemies.
It's a story building for me. Please, that one.
I did not think it.
Now that you say present. What was that?
Okay, you say what's the just say the question again.
When is the only time when today comes before yesterday?
Like today, you're in today. Like present now. Like now you're present in the moment. Today you're in that. You're present. Yeah, so today. Then yesterday has gone.
You just say, I made a mistake. It's where
I don't think that's what I actually thought.
You're only -2 if I clean your brush.
No, I beg. It's an honest mistake. We learn every day.
No. That one. Even though we're in the test. What has a bottom at the top?
God, Jesus. What has a bottom?
At the top.
At the top. Bikini bottom.
Where is the
has
bikini?
A bottom.
What? No, let's dissect it because
What has a bottom? Bottom box. What has a bottom? At the top of it.
Your legs. Your bottom is your bottom. Your bottom is on top of your legs. This is your bum.
That doesn't make sense.
Actually,
it doesn't make sense.
But it makes sense.
It doesn't make sense. Please give me another question.
Yeah, crook. You make
Please, I beg of you.
Fine.
What runs around a whole yard?
Spans a building without moving.
Fence.
Fence.
What can you put in a bucket to make it weigh less?
Make it way less. Nothing. What can you put in? Why are you looking like that? What can you put in a bucket? Nothing now. Okay, water.
That's actually a smart answer, but you know that's not the answer.
I don't know. It's you that knows.
That's actually a good answer.
Just give it to me. There can be two answers for one question. Think about it. Well, you say the bucket is already full. There's something in the bucket already.
You have to empty it now.
You say it's not that.
How will you empty it?
Yes.
Pour it or turn it.
Not turning, not doing that.
Remove
You
it.
put your hand inside.
If there's a bucket and you in the bucket now.
Sorry, but time has up.
Okay, break the bucket.
Eh.
If there's a hole in the bucket,
See what we
Tell
go.
her.
the bucket weightless.
You should actually go the answer because I'm removing the water, but how are you removing it? By creating a hole.
But I can give her because she said nothing.
And you can give her like this is
Please give me. Thank you.
At night, they come without being fetched. By day, they are lost without being stolen. What are they?
At night they come without being fed.
You must be dirty rats.
Please. It's not a type of thing.
Oh yeah, then who you own? They're not gonna confuse
Well,
already
it's
in my
actually
head.
quite easy if you really think about
She's
it.
not. Guys, she's
Please talk. Let me hear.
not. Please. At night, I'm not.
Sorry.
At night, they come without being fetched. By
Okay.
day, they are lost without being stolen.
Darkness. At night they come without being fetched. Stars.
You just need to think about things before you say it.
Always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind
Adventure lady. Adventure lady lip thing. To apply my lips. And I'll be using this BBC lipstick palette.
perfect smile, posing for the camera.
Presumptuous much.
This you can use that one. It should be
What has to be broken before you can use it?
Bed.
Is their bed.
Superficial, fake friends in politics. Oh, deep down they wish they could escape. So tell me why.
What has 6 faces but does not wear makeup and 21 eyes but cannot see?
Who has 6 faces? 21 eyes.
The time is going though.
What has 6 faces? I bet comment if you know the answer.
I'm sure they will know it.
6 faces, 21 eyes, but cannot see.
Six faces does not wear makeup. 21 eyes but cannot see.
It's the same thing now.
It's the same one thing.
The only face thing that's going to find is cloak. But that one does not have eyes.
Beep! Time up.
Dice has 6 faces and he has 21 eyes. Break me and I'll cage you. Obey me and I'll save you. What am I?
This one not pass it.
Break me.
It's close to home. Yes, it's close.
Oh my
to,
god.
It's close to home.
I trust.
Obey me.
Trust.
I'll save you.
Break. Obey. Instruction.
Command me.
It's
Command.
close to you. It's who you are.
Time's up anyway.
No, they keep quiet. You are trying to see my bonding here.
Break me and I'll save you.
Please, I was talking to you, my dear.
What is the other side?
Don't listen to her. Just focus on me.
Time is up. Doesn't matter.
Let me just know that I'm going somewhere.
What's the question?
You say it's close to me.
It's who you are. Break me. I'll cage you. Obey me. I'll save you. What am I?
A human being.
It says who you are.
A
It says
girl. Who am I?
You are. I am. Abigail is not. She cannot be. She cannot have anything to do with it.
A lawyer. It's not a lawyer, it's the law. No, it's who am I now? That's who are you? Abigail is not it. That's the part I got.
The answer is law. The answer is law. If you break it, a cage. I was saying another thing for cage. I really said when I said it's who you are, I thought she was going to get it. Alright.
Any bonus question? But the makeup looks okay, Sha. What do you guys think? Regardless of the questions I failed and the things I omitted because I lost those questions. Like the contour, blush.
Okay. Anything you want to play for, you have just one chance.
I want to play for blush.
You want to play for blush?
Yes.
Again.
Yes.
Miss
That's what I need right
Ini's channel. I am the game master. I'm going to give her the last opportunity. I'm giving her opportunity to play for anything, a bonus question for anything that she really wants. And now she said that she wants to play for blush again. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay.
I'll play for blush and highlighter. No, another bonus. Later on, bonus.
It's one bonus. You pick from 29, 30.
30. Let's get it.
You bury me when I'm alive. You dig me up when I'm dead. What am I? To me, the answer didn't really make sense, but it doesn't matter because you repeat it.
But you do agree with the answer?
It's a little, if you get it, I'm sure some people in the comments.
No, I'm between us here.
It doesn't matter, you didn't pick it.
But it's not my fault that I picked it now. Is it that I picked those questions that I will pick now? Bury me
when I'm alive.
What do you do?
Exactly. And then you dig it up later.
Or treasure.
The gold is to live a life.
I don't know. Nothing is coming to my head.
I'll give you another one because I don't like that one.
But can I just know the answer?
A plant.
What did you say?
A plant. I don't like the answer.
Bury me when I'm alive. Let me play for highlighter. Maybe this brush doesn't really want me.
You saw me where I never was, and where I could not be, and yet
to tickle me.
Within that very place, my face, do you often see? What am I? It's deep.
You saw me where I never was.
Mm-hmm.
What am I? Your face I can never see.
And yet within that very place, my face, you often do see.
I wanted to say a dream, but it doesn't make sense.
A what?
A dream.
Let me get my head at first.
Please just repeat it.
You saw me where I never was. You're seeing something, but that
thing
thing
is
was
not
not there.
Mm-hmm.
But it is there, but it is not there.
Mm-hmm.
And where I could not be, because in actuality the thing cannot be there, but it is there. It is there now.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, turn it up, boy.
And yet it's in that very place. My face, do you often see?
Shadow.
Another, put another way, but it's not shadow. But you've gotten it, but it's not shadow.
Your image, but that doesn't make sense.
Another word for image. If it's not a shadow, it's what?
The person.
You said shadow.
Mm.
No, you're saying a person. The shadow is not a person. A shadow is what?
The shadow now.
A shadow is what of a person?
The shadow of a person.
Exactly. It's a what of the person. The person is the human being.
Uh-huh.
The shadow is a what of that person.
A reflection.
Yes.
I don't see you.
I don't know. I kept looking at the mirror.
I don't say mirror before you say I'm stupid.
I said it is there now.
As I say no, it can't be mirror. This girl is just baiting me.
I everything. I need for us to don't want to, please.
Reflection. But just repeat it again. Me just.
You saw me where I never was. Do you get? It's never there, but it is there because it cannot be there. And where I could not, you saw me where I never was, and where I could not be. And yet, within that very place, my face do you often see? You see your own face.
That's deep.
Alright, guys, I think I've done my best.
No, I don't. That's all. Me too. I've done my own best. We've come to the end of this video, guys. The video was just basically a fun makeup application challenge video, basically. And I lost some makeup products that I was unable to apply, like my blush, my contour, eyeliner. What else? I think that was it actually. I had to do my eyeshadow with my fingers because I lost my eyeshadow brush, and I also had to apply my setting powder with my fingers because I lost the brush to apply that. So also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you got any of the questions that were asked, nice one. So hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a video every week. And thank you for watching. Please, if you also think the game master was mean, please leave a comment in the comment section, because some of the questions were just ridiculous and unfair.
What kind of
thank you for watching.
What kind of band never plays music?
Correct. That was
Trying to ask me that one, but
just
I've
saw
gotten it.
She just said it.
No, I'm good, thank you.
That's another yourself so that you improve.